Voter region will fall into problem. He would not use money to fix the problem. He will spend a little money. Oh, voter for the yenye mo be $5. Kurani e the economy chicha obi wa my dream back. Are you kidding me? You are not ashamed as a Voltarian that somebody thinks your vote is worth one margarine, blue band margarine of rice? You are not ashamed that a president thinks, say, what the or ma we si chira we cool, we close. Me say me, and come ye Voltarian, and I'm a hamakas asem na come men to aba ma NDC, build copying down you. Eja Shanti, so wo catch them say, wo Mahama we be vice president, what be MP? Loans are near appropriately, and the culture in Kurasino, would him be near signing. When to me, I'm fighting for Voltarians. What be your vice president? One fighting for Voltarians. What be your president? One fighting for Voltarians. And then what opposition into what's the who's yours? Say, you will take care of the Voltarians. God should forgive you for taking them for a fool. And I hope these Voltarians, some of them, our eyes are beginning to clear. Rollins no go. Voter for say Rollins in Tina now did the NDC a chia. Now who tried the aircon so say no more party near you mumu. Good ye. You more party near you mumu. And Timothy Mamu share who is bringing development to you. Now kwa say MFA meow. MFA meow. MFA meow. What meow be I ejinamwa. Ejinamwa be aso your cromfo. What the nam to obewia na me Ghana for na yefo. Wakoti political party ni say omu slogan ye MFA meow. Na we udim. Akwa red white t-shirt tedi jinem black BM. Say we NDC ni on feri ade. Eh. Chairman in fact that party we na nkasa no me say be say wonya baifu a wontumi ndwane. E bia nyo mu ni na no mo ya baifu. But NDC party bi wo ho a say okra pa de pa you will never join NDC. I'm sorry. If the spirit in you like good tina, it will never serve NDC. Ah, now Shagana, baby. No, what them aminka. Let them attack. Yeah? Where fact. Yeah? Everywhere NDC wins, everywhere they are poor. First time go and check the statistics. Baby, NDC for your vote will be only here for bubro. Kwakwa pa for nkwa. Into omo de na medwene sanka aban bi ba na aban na ye bibi e best sound of fortune no a. Anko ma adwene beba ho. Na kwesi pi menka ne say. Se ye disika ma obi kwesi. Se won fenko si defense ma. Se de be ye nsuo no eyiri a emmefa waja pade emfa wonipa. Na se nipa no se ska no, and you know the explanation NDC. Ghana yeah fool. I must say they have to use it for other purposes. Madam Babs, they said see defense scanner kufuo kofa ba ye no. They have to use it for other purposes. Meanwhile, the lives of my people in Keta was in danger should the rain come high, heavy. Seriously. Nana Kwame, ensuo na ba ebe yiri afa Keta for no yakope hu ska ba wo. Mon fanye nem free okeke. Aban no to one say, ye ho kire ye nti ye de aye bibi foforo. Ye ho kire ye nti ye de aye bibi foforo. That is what the government said. Enti Mo as a Felix, you are not tribalistic. That's the oh well fine. I mean let them call me tribe about the American and no because kwesi say wo ka me say fact for fact. So what catch them say? Obi akodiska with your name. Say obeye see defense amount. Now or see or diskana koye bibi for franchise hu hia nipa no. Ana so nipa ni nim say nwanya den a we num de ombeto ama yen. We num no ebre so a ye pe akwele bag ma edikosiwa na ye hyehyehye no lonka ba ko ye beto aba ama yen. That is what they take you people for. Okay. Betty no more ba ene me baby twa so sisi a say na me ka say we na ye short one. Aha, anti bet no more ba yem man no so ba. But now me person be ti we free yo. Che? Uko voter regional. Me, Madam Mawuli secondary da. Into minim voter region, especially who and its environs. Something they never did for you. You are busy using your didier jamina when ye bina and I yet ye juman na ye. Why ye juman to for party this again in Amankudiana? Yea. One corner we campaign. Moi mudina send ye didier jamno. Mon corner we campaign ana. Na matina hona sankwa siafo party we are sebi at the papa bien free muhomba. Mo twa mo ho a na makoton mo ho amomo na mo twe abo so na nka ne papa mu a NDC to make us about politics bi o de o mo de abeye Ghana fo yi. Now so me I ask a typical question. Me say whenever price of things go high, we go on the government. Some of us even take it to a I feel almost die politics no. Ekufa do anim say chimpanzee ba omia yes teni aboa teni kwasia. We turn it personal. Na ako company for na no musi yo yate na yate so. Yate so dia sa kwasi ampani na wo so video didi mpani for atem na yante nka o. Yate te ni ama no so dia kwasi ampani Johnny Hughes entimi ameka se yate te ni ama so. Captain Jimmy ekokobu ne gas na yate petrol no so dia obetena hwan no ma chill hey we dey mintumi me yam pass me obetena sa baller show no so no when to me anka nkyere na kwasi ampa for listeners ne say yate petrol so 2 weeks ago you are insulting the president to reduce the petrol. Now the fucking petrol has been reduced. I expect Captain Kwasi Ampani to sit on that stupid thing of his to let Ghanaians know say, obey ya abino tiasia to petrol no so. Now who said he was there to fight for you, the Ghanaians, so that whole petrol so better? It is only Ghana. Uhieni ne bana or no nibi mono. Say t-shirt. No, did you know? E-levy, we won't pay no e-levy. E-levy, kum nana do mayen, kum nana do mayen, kum nana do mayen, kum nana do mayen. I didn't see a metro when see the e-levy in Tian Kubi. E-levy one seed in tea. Kum nana do mayen. Madam Larissa, welcome. Kum nana do mayen because you see a metro e-levy. Me ken the same Kwasi Ampani NDC nino or your transfer. Etua when see the ma Vodafone, etua when see the ma MTN. Ya the MTN dia ko South Africa ko yomo kwan. Ya the Vodafone dia ko UK. Na sebe. Ghana ni dondology Jimmy. Ghana ni dondology ye Jibi samne dia. Ojina Kwasi Ampafo bi say captain ni twasidi ejina o say Ghana ye den emuwe se mu bejina wodi atemu a ye te so a na mo ye ma beye na mo papa na mo maame no mo de hyehyɛ mo techere ma ase e de abetena ho a mo didi nkwasi asem no na nka masen abeka say oh ye ya aban na te wa bete ye so then one is saying amen. Madam Larissa, mitiwe, mi wonu aketwa a odi machi. Omo friend Porsche akuya. Se ebusua fie build ya. I don't see why ya. Me penino 38 years old no me kwa ko bisa minua na onu ndi 30 years old ni say adenti na yensi sebe ebusua fie. Are you people kidding me? But in Ghana, politics in tea, are you okay? Araba, welcome. In Ghana, politics in tea, are you okay? They be a mekasa asem we chiremo.